I'm going to show you how you can create a view-only channel on your Discord server in just a few steps. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So all you need to do is create a new channel. In my case, I'm gonna name it announcements, for example. I'm going to create this channel and then I'm gonna put it right here. You need to edit this channel by clicking this icon and then go to permissions. So right here you will see all the roles you have, and you need to go to the add everyone role and scroll down until you see send messages. So this is the most important thing. Set it right here so all the roles won't be able to send messages to this channel. And then you can also for example, disable reactions so people can't add new reactions to your messages on that channel. And those are basically the most important things that you need to do. So just save the changes. And now I'm going to view this server as a test role I just created. So if I go to roles, I have this test role. I can click here and view the server as this role. So if I click here, you will see I don't have permissions to send messages in this channel, but I can still talk on any other channel. So that channel could be used for announcements, for example, or the server rules or whatever you want. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.